Hello everyone, my name is Jude. Listen to the end.
I want to show you how to register in this airdrop. This is airdrop you need to take seriously because and it's for only those that have Binance. Though if you have Trust Wallet, you can try it out. Okay, so how to do it? You click on the link, then click on sign up, not sign in because you've not registered. Click on sign up and then put your email address, put your valid email address, and then the next thing is your password. Copy and paste, put your password again, confirm. Then in this captcha you have to write this. You can see that all the letter here is in alphabet, so you have to write it 09XU in capital letter. You can see it. Make sure what you see is what you write here. Then the next thing, you click on create account. Then you can see where they wrote 500 CATLY. Click on claim. Then the next thing, you put your USDT BEP20 wallet address. That is the USDT that is in Binance Smart Chain Network. In fact, actually your Binance account. So how to get it? Click on deposit. Then click on USDT. And then this first one is BNB Smart Chain. That is the BEP20. Click on it and copy it. Go back and paste it. They are going to send you some amount of USDT, okay, for you to paste that same amount here to verify. Okay, now you can see the amount of USDT they sent to me. So I will go to my email and check if it has arrived. It's yet to arrive. So let me wait for it to arrive, because I need to type in that amount and paste it to prove. Okay, I think I should just pause this video while I wait for it to arrive. You can see it has arrived. Okay, now look at what they're saying to me. So you copy it, you copy exactly what they're saying to you. If you cannot copy, then type it somewhere and paste it. Okay, so I will now copy and paste it here, then submit. You can see that I've received a 500 CATLY. Okay, then they will stake it for me for 15 days. After 15 days, they will send it to me. Then I have to now stake it back for me to be receiving reward. Okay, so don't joke with this airdrop. Is massive. And for those who think that the payment is not real, let me check my Binance. This is my Binance. You can see a minute ago, you can see that they actually sent it. This is not this is legit. Okay, so leave whatever you are doing and claim this airdrop, and also invite people to earn more. Invite people, tell people what is paying. You are reaching out to others. That is empowerment. Invite people to register in this, and you are earning just as they are earning. But the advantage here is you earn more because they are paying you referral bonus. So do this airdrop fast. Thank you. For you.